Hello everyone, this is a very quick video to show you how to install the Azure Functions Extension within code. If you're a code user, you probably don't need this video. So I have code, and all you need to do is type out code to get to the Visual Studio editor, and I've already opened up the code in my Ubuntu environment. So it's a cross-platform software, so you can use Mac, Windows, whatever you want. And when we're here, I have searched already for the Azure Function Extension, and it's giving me, for the installation, you just need to do Ctrl P and then run this command. So I'm going to copy this command right here, go to my code, do Ctrl P to open up, and then click and hit enter, and you see it says Azure Functions 0221, and that was installing. Now it says it's installed. It's that easy. So that's all for the video. For any other extension, you follow the same process. Thank you.